Now y'all look. It's my biggest fan. YouTube. Back out here on the Caprice. Picking up where we left off. Went ahead and mixed up some filler. Put it back in the trunk. I actually found 2 more spots on that passenger side over there that was a little low. Not too bad. Mixed up too much filler, so I went ahead and wiped them anyway. While we're waiting on that to dry, we're going to go ahead and sand this trunk lid down. Try and get it ready to prime. And I had a little left over, so I went ahead and wiped the 2 spots on the door that I had. And as you can see, it's pretty bright outside. It's supposed to be even warmer tomorrow, so we may get some primer on this thing this week. Y'all keep your fingers crossed. Okay, YouTube. I don't know what kind of paint was on this. I don't know how old it is. But it did not want to come off. I haven't done this side yet. As you can see, it's I think this car was painted at one time a long time ago. I don't know. We are going to be taking this thing down to bare metal. Pretty much putting the whole car in an epoxy primer before the high build. There was a lot of surface rust in the car when I got it. So we're going to hit it with the epoxy first to get rid of all that after we clean it up. So all these little bare metal spots you see, don't worry, it is getting epoxy. We'll get back to it. Alright, YouTube. We finally got the first layer of paint off the truck. I know it don't look too pretty right now, but like I said, we're taking it all the way down to bare metal. You may ask why I'm taking it down to bare metal. Well, that spot of surface rust was up under all the paint. You never know what you're going to find until you get it all off. There's a few more small spots, but if you don't take care of it, over time that rust will become a big problem. So we're going to start blocking our areas with our filler in it. And then tomorrow we will be getting the rest of the paint off and getting ready to prime this thing. YouTube, we got our filler block down. Both sides came out real nice. So all we'll have left on this and stripping the rest of the paint off. Getting in primer tomorrow. Then after that, we'll finish prepping the roof. Try and get in primer also.